How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can find deleted friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to find deleted friends on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because let's say that you happen to open a Snapchat app, you just went to your profile icon here, and then you went to your friends tab, and then you happen to delete a couple of friends over here, and now you want to find out what kind of friends you've deleted. Well, to be frank, Snapchat directly doesn't list you a list of people that you have unfriended or has been deleted from your friends list, because Snapchat is not going to give you that list. So instead, what you have to do is you have to figure that out yourself. One way you can do this is by simply searching for the username. So when you come to this search icon over here, you go to the add friends, you try to search for that person, and if you see the add button over here instead of already friends, it means that they have unfriended you. As a result, it also means that you have been deleted as a friend. So that's simply how it works. As I said, Snapchat is not going to give you a whole list of the people that you have either unfriended or have been deleted for some particular reason. Instead, you have to go to the friends section manually, search for the username, see if you're still friends with that person, and finally figure out only whether or not you have deleted them. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.